Hey guys, that coder here. Welcome to the second episode of Code Wars, the series. Today I'm going to do this challenge, which is worth 7Q. I am an 8Q, so I hope it's decently hard. It's called Square Every Digit. You're asked to square every digit of a number and then concatenate them. For example, if you run 9119, the function 81, 811,181, because 9 squared is 81 and 1 squared is 1. Okay. Let's train. So, it should not do that. You ready? So, let num as string equals string number. This will be helpful because then we're going to have to go through each digit. But we can't do that if it's an integer. So we go through it as a string. So that's why it's num as a string. Num as string. I is less than num as string dot length I plus plus. Now we need to get num as string at I. We'll make it a number because we need to do math on it. Number, and then to the power of 2. And then we'll make that a string again. Okay, so then let result. And then, result plus equals string. No, well, I guess we have to make that an empty string. Result equals blah, 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 blah. And then we return results. So let's see, does that work? Attempt. Number. We have to return it as a number. But it looks like it's doing good. Test it. Yeah, so that's working. Sweet. Attempt it. And all completed. Submit. So what was the most clever way? Return number. Holy shoot. Oh, they use map. I am not good at maps. Oh, we ranked up. Let's go. Okay, next kata.